A good skate shoe should be flexible and lightweight, made from quality suede. It should also have reinforced layers in high wear areas. The sole needs to provide good grip and be thin to keep you close to the skateboard for the best board feel. There are many products available to choose skating shoes, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of the best skating shoes from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Kushan Inline Skates. Our inline skates for kids come with 4 illuminating wheels that lights up automatically when you start to skate. The lights are powered by wheels rolling and never need replacement batteries. Just imagine how cool it will be to flash as bright as a lighting bulb in the dark. Our inline skates have 4 different unisex size, S/M/L/XL, and each size is adjustable. Please make sure to choose the correct size by checking enclosed size chart pictures. And do not forget to adjust the length of boot by the push button before wearing. You will find that it's so convenient to operate, and kids and youth can use it for many years even though their feet are growing up. We have 100% confidence in our roller skates. Contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. If you have any question about our inline skates, we will happily accommodate and work with you. All issues will be solved within 24 hours. Your satisfaction is our highest priority. Number 2. 2PM Sports Inline Skates. Gain confidence in our stylish design in violet and magenta. With the coolest light-up wheels, make your little girl a real shining star. Wheels are designed as self-generated power system, no battery needed. Kids can ride on these skates for a long time, for you'll be able to increase the boot up to 4 sizes. For sizes available: small for little kid, medium for big kids, large for youth and young adult, X large for adult. Check the image of our size chart for specific length of the boot. Enjoy a smooth, quiet and confident ride on the reinforced aluminum frame, 82A polyurethane wheels, and high-quality ABC7 bearings. Premium performance and special light-up bonus, totally worth the price. Number 3. Gonx Inline Skates. Gonx Inline Skates for girls, boys and kids can be adjusted to different sizes as kids' feet growing to ensure years of fun. 3 sizes, S/M/L, are available for your choice. Please check our size chart and choose the proper size for your kid. The main body of the inline skates is comprised of premium PP material, sandwich mesh, PVC leather and EP foam that offer great comfort to skate. Rust-resistant aluminum frame, 864mm 82A PU wheels with trendy LED lights and high-performance ABC7 bearings provide smooth, quiet and safe glides. A surprising gift for birthdays, holidays, special events, and milestones for young people that makes them screaming in excitement and joyfulness. Number 4. Kushan Inline Skates. Easy and convenient one push button to adjust different sizes ensures years of fun. No need to worry about your kids growing foot anymore. Check our size chart in the product image, make sure you chose the right pair. Coolest flashing light offers more fun for kids to go outside and play. Colorful LED lights inside the wheels with self-generating power. No battery needed. Kid will be crazy with its stylish looking. Get confidence on the smooth and comfortably rides. High-quality aluminum frame and durable polyurethane, PU, wheels with ABC7 bearings can be used both outdoor and indoor. Kushan Inline Skates come with a 100% satisfaction. Reach out to us if there's ever anything you need. We are dedicated to address any product/service issues and is committed to delivering a 5-star experience for all buyers. Number 5. ECOO Inline Skates. Durable round laces are elasticated to ensure flexibility without falling off. The convenient locking buckle, which can be opened with just one button, securely fastens the skates to the ankle. Press the button on the other side of the buckle to precisely adjust the tightness, and use the buckle to adjust and fix the shoe body, providing a secure cover, easy to put on and take off, and fit the foot to provide security. The composite material frame, made of lightweight aluminum alloy, provides stable support. The low center of gravity is lighter and more flexible, and it can also reduce the burden on the feet when sliding. Carbon steel ABC 7 bearings and 82A thickened PU performance wheels for faster speed and more control when skating, suitable for beginners who have never skated but want to learn. You can enjoy skating indoors and outdoors in all seasons while wearing our inline skates. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post informative videos every day. Check out my description if you're in need of more details or would want to know how much the things cost. If you have any issues, please leave a remark below. Keep up with our awesome product, which will make your life a lot easier.